Zoe told me you couldn't come because you were sick.
Oh, that's right. The illness creates memory loss and incoordination.
Right. So if you have an illness, you shouldn't be here.
I'm feeling better.
Why are you acting weird? Did you, kiss my girlfriend or something?
No,
I'm kidding. I know Zoe wouldn't do that.
she wouldn't.
But would you?
You're so silly. Oh, hi. Who's this?
Carly!
Hi, Carly. Is she special?
If we don't start this game now, I'm taking all the gifts, going home, and throwing darts at all your faces.